Hey everybody.
Hey everybody. We're on the way to Dollar General. We're walking. So we're going to start making more videos again. And the reason why we weren't is because the phone and everything, and then we've been busy.
Yeah, we're not.
But this phone is working pretty good to upload the videos and stuff.
Yeah, I'm not making videos out of this phone.
Huh? What do you mean?
I don't like this phone.
Well, we're going to keep making videos.
No.
Yes. Everybody loves the videos.
No.
Yes. So we're on the way to Dollar General, and we're walking.
I ain't talking.
Kiss.
There's Mama. There's Moo following us.
Yep. She'll go back in a minute. She doesn't go all the way.
Moo's been in pain lately.
Yeah, we don't know what's wrong with her. But we're going to take her to the vet soon. If she doesn't get better soon.
Does anybody live in that trailer?
That one? Yeah.
I'm off the White House.
No. Not the White House.
Is that the one she lives in?
Yeah, she was sitting right there on the porch.
What does it look like outside?
It looks okay on the inside.
It's just a little messed up and then it's sorry everybody. I got the road instead of the houses. There's that little White House. There's Moo.
Watch out, watch out.
Hey, whoa.
He'll stop. She'll turn back around.
Go back home, baby. We'll be home in a minute.
She'll turn around. She did last time.
Yeah, but the last time, remember, she followed us all the way to the road.
Yeah, she followed us, and then
Yep, my dog gets me there.
she'll be fine. She turned back around last time. And there's the dog.
Oh, yeah.
Mama, look.
She dropped something.
Look at the dog. That white and black dog.
Oh, God. No, you gotta go back home, baby. No, home. Go home, baby. And if I have to turn back around, I'll walk to home and do it.
Is she pretty? I don't remember. Stay there, Mama.
Moo, stay.
Mama, go home.
Stay there, Mama. Stay.
You should have seen what she just did. It was funny. I'll show it to them. Alright, everybody. We're about to head up to the road, so I'll talk to you guys later.
Okay, bye, everybody.
We'll be home in a minute.
Bye, everybody.
Go home.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Anything you want to say to the camera, Mama?
What?
To the camera. I'm making a video.
Okay, bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.